I'd write a line, delete it, rewrite it, delete again. Hours passing, nothing finished. I was editing before I'd even finished the thought. The ease of deletion was killing my creativity. So you bought a typewriter? Yeah, found the Smith Corona at an estate sale, $20. Brought it home, loaded paper, started typing. And something changed. I couldn't delete. Once I typed a line, it existed. I had to keep going, and the poem started flowing. Not perfect, lots of mistakes, lots of awkwardness, but real, alive, complete.